Hey guys, how's it going? It's me again, Daniel Thompson, and today I am with a special review of a shoe called Muvez. So I know what you're thinking. It's just a futuristic looking shoe, nothing special, but it's actually two shoes in one. Some of you guys have probably seen this shoe on Shark Tank. If you haven't, let me just insert the clip right quick.
This is cool as hell. All right, let's do it. Let's go.
Now that we got that out of the way, you guys can see that this shoe is freaking awesome. I mean, look at the colors. There's like some really cool textures at work, and I really appreciate that it doesn't look like your average run-of-the-mill shoe. And it comes in two parts. There's the outdoor sole, which is right here, which is kind of like a shell, and it looks, you know, very tough and durable. The indoor sole is EVA foam, so it's very comfortable. It's like a slipper almost. So, you know, if you're hanging with friends, you're in your friend's apartment, you don't want to dirty up their apartment with these, you know, with the dirt you might have accumulated. So you just clip them off and boom, you're just relaxed and chilling in their room, and they're just gonna be like, whoa, how did you do that? And you'll say, hey, I got the moves. So I think that should be the new tagline. I got the moves. Come on, that's a good one. I digress. This is a great shoe for any avid, you know, shoe collector or anything like that. You can get colors on the outdoor and you can get colors on the indoor. But you know, I would love to see, you know, in the future maybe some art designs that we could put on this front half. So thank you guys for watching. I hope it was helpful. Just kind of seeing it in action. And remember, I got the moves.